My name is Hashmat. Today we'll talk about some shortcuts in Visual Studio to improve your code speed and productivity in .NET or C Sharp. Okay. Okay. Here's some handy reference that can make your .NET lifestyle a bit easier and more productive. All right. Okay. So the first thing is bookmark. Well, you can use bookmarks to mark specific line in your code, and you can return back your code anytime. So unfortunately nowadays, uh, it's really hardly used by developers, but it's really awesome. It's really helpful, and I love this. Okay, let's see as an action. Uh, for example, I'm working on this method, and I just want to bookmark this method. How to do that? By Control double K, and now it's bookmark. Look, this icon, it represents the bookmark. Okay, and later on I just want to go around and I'm working in this area, and how to return back to my specific task or to my bookmark area, and by Control K, Control N. So I'm back here in my specific task. Okay, so and how to remove it back? Again, the same by Control double K. So it's removed. So this bookmark, it actually reminds you once you get back to your specific task. So bookmark, bookmark, bookmark. Okay. So after that, ctor. It's actually a shortcut for a constructor. Okay, let's go to Visual Studio. Let's say I have a class here, employee class, and I'm gonna create a constructor for employee class. I'm gonna type public, public employee. Look, that's waste of time. If you type one by one or manually, but most of developers do this way. ctor. Did you see how faster it is? That's really faster. If you use the shortcut, it's really faster. Okay, so this is ctor to create a construct. All right, so let's go. What's next? The next is actually prop. Again, if you type manually public integer number and get set, it's really waste of time, and you know what, it takes a lot of time and to type one by one. Instead of this, you can use the shortcut. Let me remove this prop, double tap, and now look how fast it is. It's really faster than to type manually. It's really faster to use the shortcut. Okay, and another shortcut is it's actually prop 4. So you can go ahead and edit it later on. Okay, and EW for console.writeLine. Okay, and also equal method. So, and later on you can edit your method. So now I have a big method, a huge method. So if you type manually the whole method, it takes a lot of time, but now it's really fast. Okay, cool. And also it's equal. So let's have some shortcuts regarding loops. For example, for is used for loop, and you can change the variables later on. Okay, and for each loop, this is for each loop. While loop, while. So do while loop, this do while. Okay, So it's really helpful. So let's go and see what's next. So this is actually equal. Yeah, I just missed the try and catch. All right. So try. It's actually automatically generate the all blocks of try and catch. Okay. And try it. Try and find the block. Okay. That's really cool. It's really cool. Okay. Let's go back to the page. What's next? Okay. I just 440 do while. Yeah. This is the best shortcut that I love this, and it's really helpful. I just recommend all you guys to use this shortcut, and it's really helpful. It's awesome. Okay, Control plus S. It's basically used to save your page, but you need to install the productivity power tools in order to organize your code. It's actually used to organize the code, but you need to install this extension first. Okay, so let's go. Let's see how to install this extension first. Okay, if you go to the Google and say productivity power tools, open this link. Here you go. So you can download this extension first, and after that, go ahead and install that. Well, after installation, you have to go back to Visual Studio and Tools and Option, and right here we have Productivity Power Tools and Power Commands, and these two option needs to be enabled in order to work. And go ahead and check mark these two options and say OK. Now, if the code was really unorganized, let me mess up the code. Okay, the code really unorganized. It's really bad code, right? And I have a couple unused namespace. For example, system using system.text, whatever. So you know what, this namespace is not used. Okay, so right now the code is really bad code. It's not organized at all. So we have a couple namespaces that is not being used. So when you say Control S, look, it's actually organized automatically, and the old namespace which was not being used, it's removed automatically. So it's really cool. So now it's organized. The code is organized, and all the variables which is not used, everything was removed. So organize the code. Okay, so this is a Control plus X. Alright, so the next thing is a Control plus tab to navigate between the classes and projects. Let's see the action. If you say Control tab, so here you go. You can navigate between the projects and the classes. Okay, so uh, Control F6 for next step, and F4 is for, it's actually close the current tab, and Alt WL is actually close the old tabs, and Control column is actually it's used for hierarchy classes or method. For example, right here, if I type say Control column, so right here you can you can search for your specific method or whatever. Okay, so for example, if I type here employee, get employee, for example, I have a method here, get employee. So it's actually searching for the get employee, so you can search for your specific method or whatever. Okay, so and Shift Alt Enter. I love this feature too. It's used to I mean I mean full your screen. Okay, let's go to Visual Studio for example.